a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
Drake actually dropping a single. Drake is the first artist to hit 50 billion streams, and take a look at that fleece, guys. What is going on, guys? Justin Overview update back again with another video, and today I'm bringing you guys the first ever weekly series here on the channel called the Weekly Update. Every single Thursday night I'm going to be bringing you guys a brand new video updating you guys on the drop list, my picks, what's going to sell the fastest. We're also going to talk about all the new Nocta information, everything to do with Drake, the album, CLB, and just anything going on, popping off in the fashion or music community. We're going to bring it here. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's hop straight into today's video. Kicking the week off, we've had many photos come in, whether it's from fans or even Drake's Instagram. He has been in the studio in the Bahamas. It seems like he's been going back and forth to the Bahamas for the past like 3 months now, ever since November, December. I don't blame him, man. The city's cold right now. There's nothing to do. He has been in the studio what seems to be almost every single day, working on CLB, finishing things up. As you guys can see from the many photos of him in the studio this past week, definitely putting in that work. So hopefully CLB will be out very soon. Definitely, I feel like it'll be before summer, but who knows at this point. He's been putting off the album for a long time. So hopefully we get news on a release date very soon. So what do you guys think of Drake actually dropping a single? I know some people say the album on Valentine's Day, but maybe a single at least would be pretty nice. Also, this week in Drake news, Drake is the first artist in history to surpass 50 billion streams on Spotify. That is a huge number, so huge shout out to Drake and the whole team. Absolutely killing it on the streaming numbers, and I'm sure CLB is going to push those numbers way bigger. Alright guys, so moving right along, we got some more Nocta news. We have some brand new photos, unseen, probably the best looks of the fleece and the hoodie, as well as the hat and the t-shirt from the release coming up this February 23rd. Honestly guys, that date is creeping up on us very quickly, so you guys are definitely going to want to stay posted to the page, to the Instagram, for all the release information. I'm sure this release is going to sell out just as fast as the last. That was kind of a bar right there. Anyways guys, let's talk about these photos. We have the hoodie. Crazy details. I know I've been hyping up this hoodie a lot, but the pocket hoodie is one of my favorites. I'm definitely gonna have to grab this one, especially to review for you guys here on the channel. We got the t-shirt as well with the subtle black details, and take a look at that fleece, guys. After seeing these specific photos, that fleece looks very nice, and what I've heard is that retail is looking to be around like $350, $400. Absurd retail price for that jacket, but it's definitely gonna keep you warm. Let me know which items you have in mind for the next drop coming up. I know that hat and the vest as well is going to be a huge hit. Take a look at the hat. I don't know which one I like more, the previous one or this one. This one is more low-key with the all black, but I do really love the glossy finishes. That was definitely a great touch. Also touching on the vest, very clean, a nice tactical look. Definitely not going to be a cheap item. Let's keep it rolling, guys. We have the drop list for February the 5th. We have the Monogram collection coming up. So we got the hoodies in green, pink, gray, and black. Personally, out of all of the hoodie sets, I would definitely go with that green, especially the hoodie. Very nice, and if you are a lady, that pink one is very nice as well. Honestly, the whole collection is pretty fire. The gray and the black, you can't go wrong with those two colorways. Very nice. Again, we have the matching pants for those hoodies as well, and we also have the tonal t-shirts that actually match the hoodies as well. So we have the gray, the pink, the green, and the black. Very nice. And then to finish that off, we have some beanies in 3 new colorways. Honestly guys, this drop is nothing too crazy. Personally for me, I'm definitely not going to pick anything up, but the sellout items tomorrow are definitely going to be those Monogram hoodies. I assume the black and the gray and the pink are definitely going to be the first ones to go. Alright guys, and last but not least, we got some of the stories Drake posted this week. We got some fan art with Drake in the Nocta items, very cool, with the do-rag. And speaking of the do-rag, we also have Drake wearing it as well, with the chrome heart blue hoodie. Very nice. I wonder if we'll ever see an actual release on the do-rag. I know a lot of people want it. I wonder what retail on something would even be like that. I wonder if they're gonna tax us at least $100, $120 for that Nocta do-rag. And let me know in the comments down below if Nike's even ever made a do-rag before. And of course, as you guys know, Drake's been in the gym a lot recently, and he's actually been seen wearing the OVO gloves, the orange colorway. He actually wore the black ones last, but he brought out the orange ones this time. The glove release last year was definitely one of my favorites. If you do not have either or of the gloves, I definitely recommend picking a set up. Of course, we got Drake in the chrome hearts with the watch and the pants. That custom rollie is absolutely insane. Drake's really been on the Chrome Hearts wave. I'm sure his Chrome Hearts collection is absolutely insane. Probably want to say at least $100,000 worth of Chrome Hearts at this point. He's been wearing it for years now, so it'd definitely be cool to see a Chrome Heart collection from Drake. Alright guys, and that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy the weekly update, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, what you want me to improve, want me to add in the videos, and I'm gonna catch you guys next week with the next episode. Peace.